ducks. We at the park today. Yeah, I know, I see that. That's how you wake them up, get closer to them. That's the face that's gone out of that tree. The bridge is closed up, but look at it.
That's a drawbridge.
Yeah.
Flood one. Up to there.
Can't get on the bridge, look at that. See them ducks across the thing laying there? There's 1, 2, 3, and then one in the water. We're standing on the thing where they bring the fish and stock the fish. They got a big old Spider-Man thing down there. Stuff, ride the bull. This is at the park too. Big Stone Gap. There's KFC. Gathering in the Gap Music Festival. Gathering in the Gap Music Festival, May the 24th, 2025. Bellamy Brothers. Tickets 276-523-1322. See that house up on the hill? It's way up there on the hill. You can barely see its windows. Look at them hills, you all. Ain't they pretty? I think we're fixing to get rained on. Ronnie likes that tree right there. We're going to walk you down here to this bridge. It's got pictures on it, and we're going to take pictures of it and let you see them. Here we starting at that bridge. They got rainbow trouts painted on them. Get your fishing license and come down and fish. And you'll get to see them too. Bet you that water's good and cool right now. That's a big old tree right there. Ronnie was climbed in it before, and me and Cameron. Here's what that is, axe throwing. Oh, I can see him good too. See how deep that castle is? It's a big one. All these you can rent for birthday parties or anything. Black cherry tree with tall trunk, oblong crown, abundant small white flowers, and a small black cherry, height 80, diameter 2, bark dark gray, smooth with horizontal lines, becoming irregularly fissured and scaly. It's irregularly flushed and scaly. Sycamore, one of the largest eastern hardwoods. Large base, large crooked branches to an open crown. Bark smooth whitish and mottled dog park. That sand over there. That'd be good for swim pools. Y'all see it? Squirrel and two birds. Let's see if we can get closer. See him hopping there, that squirrel? See how cute he is climbing? Dang, he's way up there now. If you all can see it, there's a woodpecker on the telephone pole. Let's see if we can get closer to him.
Right.
Tennis courts and basketball. Baseball. Football field. Where all the bleachers are and all. See the water thing down there? Everybody's getting wet. It's got little buckets that dumps water on you. Up there's the train. It says interstate on it. And here's the cabin. Here's better looking at the cabin. That would be fun if I had some clothes. Where it's hot out here. But I ain't got none. You can walk up this ramp and walk all the way around that tree and everything. Right there. There's the buckets. Watch them fill up and dump them. See? Yeah, watch them fill up. As soon as they do, they'll dump them. See, there he goes. We also have a museum and a library here too, in this park. There's the cabin again.
I'm sure they do tours of it sometime.
Can you see the roof at it?
Real old place.
It's got electric in it. And they got rope lights around it where you can walk at nighttime and see it. We're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Push the like button, subscribe button if you ain't already. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Mother's Day to all. Bye.